Hey, we're out here at the Water Resources Center in Spokane, Washington, and we want to announce a pilot project that we are really excited about. In conjunction with WaterWise Spokane, Spokane County Public Works has set up a pilot project where they are showing different permeable paver options, and this whole landscape will be planted with native planters to basically show how cities, how individuals and businesses can help conserve water. Now, we want to show you these different products and show you where AquiPor stands out. All right, our first product here is a pavestone product. I actually like this product a lot because I think aesthetically, this looks really cool. Now, it's not permeable, right? This is literally just stone, but the way they're installed in between the soils, that's where you get your natural permeability. And so to call this a permeable paver product, I mean, I don't know, maybe, but the way it's installed, you do get permeability throughout. Again, what I really like about this, super aesthetic. Like, this is something I'd probably have at my residence. Second product that's been installed out here is what's called kind of a grass paver. So you can see this design is concrete that basically has big, segmented holes within it. Grass will grow up through this. This is natural soil. Again, this is how the system gets permeability. So the concrete itself, not permeable at all. But again, this is, something that can be used. You can drive cars over this. It's a good option, I think, if you want permeability, in a residential setting. All right, product number 3. These are 4 by 8 inch Holland pavers. They're considered permeable. They're not permeable at all. Pour water on the concrete itself, it's not going to go through. But again, what these systems rely on are these segmented gaps. Now, there's a lot of problems with segmented gaps. Number one, these will clog up over time. You get weeds that grow out of them. And then when you get big rain events, you see how this kind of washed out the gravel that's in between all the pavers. So again, a permeable concept. This has been around for a long time. Now I want to show you what makes AquiPor stand out from all of these solutions. Okay, AquiPor permeable pavers. These are actually permeable. Okay, so rainfall or stormwater falls on the concrete, it will permeate through the material instead of relying on segmented gaps for that permeability. So you can see the water literally seeping through the material. What's really cool about this technology is this will also filter dirt, debris, all these things on the surface without getting into the pores. So it's resistant to clogging. Water will go right through it. Our contractor buddy tried to clog this paver right here with a bunch of dust and dirt and debris, and it doesn't matter. Water will go through the pores, everything else gets filtered onto the surface. These are easily maintained with a power wash or even in a municipal application, street sweeper, vacuum cleaner. And so, big difference. AquiPor's concrete is actually permeable, and it has submicron porosity that filters stormwater runoff right on the surface. So to recap everything, we have 4 different porous paving solutions, all right? The first 3 we talked about pavestone, then we have the grass pavers, and then the interlocking permeable pavers, and then of course AquiPor number 4. They're all great products. Again, what makes AquiPor stand out, the concrete itself is porous. It'll allow water to flow through it. It does not rely on gaps in between the pavers, which will clog up, grow weeds. They're very difficult to maintain. AquiPor just allows stormwater to flow directly through it back into the ground below. And we are super stoked to see how this installation does over time. We're going to be monitoring it all the time. And we're super excited about it. If you want to learn more about our technology and everything we're working on, go to startengine.com/AquiPor. We will see you there.